Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your customers with Zoom, complete guide step by step clearly. To start protecting your customers with Zoom, log into your Zoom account. Navigate to the settings panel on the left side of the dashboard. In the settings, look for the meeting tab. Within this tab, locate the security section. Enable the option that requires a password for meetings. This adds an extra layer of protection for your customers. Next, consider using the waiting room feature. This allows you to screen participants before they join the meeting. Scroll to the waiting room option and toggle it on. You can customize the waiting room message to inform attendees. After setting the waiting room, adjust your screen sharing options. Set who can share their screen during meetings. Restrict screen sharing to the host only to avoid inappropriate content. Then, enable the only authenticated users can join meetings feature. This requires attendees to sign in with a Zoom account for added security. After that, check the Join Before Host option. Disable this feature to ensure you control when the meeting starts. Next, familiarize yourself with the Lock Meeting feature. Locking the meeting prevents anyone else from joining after it begins. While in a meeting, click on Security and select Lock Meeting. Another important setting is the chat options. Limit chat to everyone by changing it to host only if necessary. Make sure to regularly update your Zoom application. Staying up to date helps protect against vulnerabilities. Inform your customers about the security measures in place. This enhances their confidence in using Zoom for meetings. Lastly, conduct regular training sessions on best security practices. Empower your customers with knowledge on how to stay safe online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.